welcome to my channel. My name is Felicia Mesadieu, your guide to the best clothes, tips, products, and ideas that help you look and feel your best. And to all my felines, welcome back, ladies. So today I'm going to be sharing with you this hot oil treatment that I recently tried on my hair. Hot oil treatments are one of the best practices that you can implement into your hair routine. It has some of the best benefits for your hair. It's so nourishing and it is absolutely amazing. I may have done a hot oil treatment like maybe at the most 3 times. And I believe I did that hot oil treatment because it was like the natural hair thing to do. It was floating all over YouTube. Honestly, I think I just needed to make a video. And this time I still needed to make a video. Let's not get confused about that. But the benefits of the hot oil treatment this time were absolutely amazing. And the reason why I did the hot oil treatment is because my hair, my scalp, I usually don't suffer from itchy or dry scalp. You know, things are changing. I don't know if that's what happens when you are in your 30s, but my scalp definitely switched the game up on me. I mean, my scalp was really itching and it was really dry, and I couldn't seem to like keep my fingernails out of my scalp. And so it just so happened that I was watching like some old videos on YouTube, to be exact, Lipstick and Curls, and she talked about doing like this hot oil treatment, and I was like, you know what, that sounds really good. I should probably do that. Kept procrastinating, and then finally I just went ahead and did a hot oil treatment. Ladies, when I tell you the anointing of this hot oil treatment, especially after discovering the hot oil treatment this time around. I mean, this time around, oh my God, it was just absolutely glorious, okay? I mean, just spiritual. So the hot oil treatment that I did like almost, I want to say maybe 3 years ago, has nothing on the hot oil treatment that I did on Saturday, okay? Nothing, nada. Can't compete, undefeated. I worked my 9 to 5, but I cut my check. Get anointed. Anoint your scalp with this hot oil treatment. Don't play yourself. Anoint your scalp. It will thank you with all the blessings on this universe. Let's go. Let's get into this hot oil treatment. To make this hot oil treatment, I'll be using some coconut oil. I'm going to take very generous scoops of this and place it in a glass bowl. Next, I'm going to add some extra virgin olive oil. Then I like to add my essential oils, so I'm going to add some jasmine oil. And then I'm going to add just a few drops of peppermint oil, not too much. And I like to add the peppermint oil because it helps to really stimulate the scalp. Next, I'm gonna stir the oils up together, and then I'm just gonna use the spoon to break down the huge clumps of coconut oil. I'm going to boil a pot of water, and this is going to heat up the oil. While the water is boiling, I am going to place the applicator in a steel mixing bowl, and then I'm going to begin to transfer the oil mixture to the applicator. And the last step to this process is to add the hot boiling water from the pot, and I'm just going to let the applicator sit in the hot water, and that's going to heat up the oils, and I just do that for about a minute or 2. I mean, pretty much most of them you should probably already have in your arsenal, in your pantry, in your kitchen cabinet. My sister, she like collects oil, so I had access to a little bit more. But other than that, like, I think the foundation of this oil was definitely the olive oil. So I would start with olive oil or coconut oil and then go from there, maybe even a grapeseed oil, and then add in your essential oils. But I just really gravitated towards jasmine oil because I love the smell of it, and I found that it just really, I don't know, I enjoyed working with that better than I do with like tea tree oil or peppermint oil, even though I did put like a few drops of peppermint oil in there, because when I'm working with tea tree oil and peppermint oil, I have a tendency to get it in my everywhere, and then it gets in my eyes, and then that's like pretty tough to combat. But the jasmine oil, like, some of it dripped in my eye and it wasn't that big of a problem. Now I don't suggest like you just let the oil just drip from yonder, but I mean, it does get pretty messy. So that was the reason why I gravitated towards the jasmine oil, and it just has like a really, really nice smell. But again, like, do what oil works for you, but I do suggest jasmine oil. All right, so my hair has been in like 2 braids, and now I am ready to actually just put the treatment in my hair because my hair has been itching and it's just really dry in the roots. And I've got, look at that, do you see that? Like, it's just, it needs some love and care. It's shrunken, and yeah, it just doesn't feel good. So let's go ahead and put in the hot oil treatment. So it's really warm. Now I am just going to begin adding the oil. It feels really, really good on my hair. It's nice and warm. That feels so soothing in my scalp. Oh my God, this feels so relaxing. Now this does get kind of messy, so I'm getting like oil pretty much everywhere. So now I'm just massaging that in my scalp. I think maybe twice a month I could do a hot oil treatment. Yeah, this is definitely in my eye and this ain't cute. So let me try to like, oh, it reminds me of like Issa Rae, when Issa Rae was like, I didn't ask for this. When she so infamously decided to pleasure Daniel, she was like, I didn't ask for this, okay? He said, I didn't ask you to do what you did. Oh my God. Yeah, every time like my eye is like closed shut, I just want to say, I didn't ask for this. Oh my God, I'm so upset that Insecure isn't coming back until 2020. It's so unfair. Like, I plan my whole summer around Insecure and Power. Tell me if you feel the same. Okay, I need to spray my hair with warm water, and then I'm gonna apply the rest of the hot oil, and then I think I'm gonna give some to my nephew because I think he needs to like do this to his head too. So yeah. Say hi to the camera. Hi, this is my nephew.
Hello.
Okay, come on.
Okay.
Come, like, you got to get down. Yeah. AZ, your hair looks really good.
Thank you.
It's curling like you want it. What did you put in it?
The same stuff that we put in last time.
You still got that that stuff from you put in this Shea Moisture conditioner, and then you use the curl enhancing smoothie from As I Am in that black and red jar.
Yeah.
Doesn't it feel good? It's all nice and warm. Are you just saying that because you're on camera?
No, I like that, and then adding the Kanzu to it was nice.
No, I'm talking about this warm oil.
Oh,
you
this?
feel it? Yeah.
Oh no, I don't.
Oh shoot. You don't feel this?
I do that in the back, yeah, when you just did that.
Isn't it like relaxing?
Yeah, it's soothing.
It's soothing. Is the massaging soothing or the hot oil?
No, I can feel the oil down my neck, and that feels pretty good.
The hot oil down your neck feels
I'm cold.
Okay, I don't want to get, but like, you know, hot oils are good. We'll do a hot oil treatment like soon with you. All right, so now I'm just gonna spray my hair with some water. Actually, this isn't warm, but whatever. And now I'm gonna really concentrate it on the ends. Now I'm just going in any area that I feel like maybe I missed. I'm gonna add a plastic cap. And then I just put one more cap on my head just to secure it because like I have a lot of hair, so the shower cap doesn't fit on my hair properly. And now I'm gonna sit under a heated blow dryer. Yeah, like a hooded dryer, and then I'm gonna really heat this up. I'm gonna do this for like, I think I'm gonna sit under there for about an hour, and then we'll go from there. I sat underneath that dryer for about 45 minutes to an hour, and the hot oil did get a bit messy. You know, it was just running drip, 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 dripping down everywhere. I came through dripping with oil, but after sitting under the dryer with the hot oil treatment, I just decided that I was gonna sleep with it in my head overnight. So I did do that, but the next morning I did rinse it out, and I followed up with shampoo and a conditioner. As I was in the shower doing my normal wash routine, I totally noticed a difference in my hair. My hair was softer than ever. It was more manageable. I barely had any tangles to fight through, and that is rare when I'm doing my wash routine. Even when I have, you know, really good conditioners, I still have to, you know, kind of still go through those tangles, but this time it really assisted me in the wash routine process, and I just, you know, I really didn't have to fight through those tangles. So I am very, 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 very pleased with how this hot oil treatment turned out for me. I'm telling you, my scalp felt so amazing. Not only did it feel so amazing, my hair had been in a braid, like in like 2 braids for a very, very long time. I want to say like maybe 2 weeks. Finally took my hair out of these braids, and my scalp, Jesus, my scalp was nourished. But not only was my scalp nourished, like the hot oil treatment broke down the braid, like the kinks. Like my hair was like matted together and it broke down the matted like hair. And then when I got in the shower, just my wash day has never been so simple. My wash day was so easy. I struggle, when I tell you I struggle in the shower with my wash routine, because I suffer from like kinks and tangles. Never felt better. Like my kinks, what kinks? Where they was at? Where they at? What kinks? I'm just like, I know I'm rambling, but I can't explain enough how amazing this hot oil treatment was, how it treated me. It was just absolutely amazing, and I am not leaving this earth without doing a hot oil treatment at least twice a month. At least twice a month. I have to do a hot oil treatment at least twice a month. That completes my hot oil treatment. I hope that you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you are not a subscriber and you felt led to subscribe, then go ahead and click that subscribe button today. Favorite, peace, and blessings, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.